This is a great activity for young scientists. They meet other young scientists, they talk to them, and they hear how older scientists built their careers and what was important to them and what they learned in their lifetime.
The idea that we can come together to share our ideas and our interests is very stimulating. It's a nice break from what we usually do, which is very specific meetings.
Singapore is a great city, and the whole conference is an eye-opener. I've met lots of people who have given me lots of insight in their research work, and which is quite applicable to my research work.
Well, I think all parts of the program are great. It's very diverse. I think the most enjoyable part is speaking to these young scientists and really finding out why they're interested in science and the types of problems that they would like to address. At the same time, I think bringing together scientists who have established themselves because they've done something very important for society, I think they act as great examples of what is possible in science.
I've also really enjoyed the panel discussions. It's been really cool to see a slightly more social aspect to the medalists as well as their scientific research presented in the plenaries.
I think that the group sessions are actually really, really valuable. It's very, very rare that you will have the opportunity to talk to someone who is the top in their field, who can maybe empathize with where you are now. And so it's really, really nice to get the perspective of someone who is very, very well established, who has a lot of knowledge, and then ask them really, really intimate questions. I think it's very valuable, and I think that it's one of the unique experiences of the GYSS that makes it a very valuable program.
Today's public lecture was quite interesting and eye-opening because we got to interact with prize winners, and it was quite interesting because we've only heard about them and we've seen them as top role models, but now we get to interact with them, then it also inspires us to follow their path.
I get to visit the research center. It was really eye-opening. They have a lot of world-class facilities, and it's great to see the work that was done there. I'm very amazed at all the facilities that are here in Singapore.
It's amazing how different people are thinking, from what I'm used to and what we usually work with. There's so much of ideas out there, so it's a great experience. It's just been amazing.
Thank you for being young scientists, for being interested in it. Main advice is that listen to elders, to your teachers with all due respect, but decide for yourself. It should be your decision.
You get one life to live, and you ought to enjoy it. And that means if you're going to do science that you're excited about and enjoy.